Good morning, children. Today we are going to study English conversation. Now, before starting, let me tell you the meaning of conversation. Conversation means to talk with each other. When I ask you a question and you give an answer to me, or you ask me something and I give you an answer, is known as conversation, or simply we can say talking with each other is known as conversation. Now today we are going to do lesson 4, that is clothes, of English conversation. It means our topic for conversation will be clothes. I'll ask you some general questions about clothes and you have to give answers. But first, let me give you a small introduction about clothes. Why do we wear clothes? And what is the need of wearing them? Can you tell me, children? Okay, let me tell you. We wear clothes to protect ourselves from heat, cold, and rain. We wear different types of clothes in different seasons depending upon the weather. We also wear different clothes for different occasions. So, this was a small introduction of our topic for conversation. Now, let me ask you some questions. Okay? So, the first one is, why do you wear clothes?
I wear clothes to protect myself.
Yes, very good. As I told you, you wear clothes to protect yourself. Now, here is a picture of some clothes. You wear them to protect yourself from heat, cold, and rain. And also, you wear them to protect yourselves from mosquito bites and insects also. So, repeat the answer once more.
I wear clothes to protect myself.
Okay, now your next question is, this question is related to someone who makes clothes for you. Okay, so let me ask you, who makes your clothes?
The tailor makes my clothes.
Yes, very good. The tailor makes your clothes. Now here is a picture of a tailor, and a tailor is a person who stitches clothes for you. So repeat the answer.
The tailor makes me my clothes.
Yes, very good. Now your next question is related to summer season. Children, you know, in summer it becomes very hot. You need to wear clothes which can keep you cool. Yes or no? So, tell me, what do you wear in summer?
I wear cotton clothes in summer.
Yes, very good. You wear cotton clothes in summer. Now, here is a picture of all the cotton clothes, and these are the clothes which keep you cool in summer season. You prefer wearing these clothes in summer. Yes or no? Now your next question is also related to summer season. So tell me, why do you wear cotton clothes?
I wear cotton clothes to keep myself cool.
Yes, you wear cotton clothes to keep yourself cool. Very good. Cotton is a material which lets the air to pass easily. So that's why we prefer wearing cotton clothes in summer season because it keeps you cool. So once more, say the answer.
I wear cotton clothes to keep myself cool.
Very good. Now, your next question is related to winter season. You know, in winter season, the weather turns cold and you need to wear clothes which can keep you warm. Okay, so tell me children, what do you wear in winter?
I wear woolen clothes in winter.
Very good. You wear woolen clothes in winter. So here is a picture of all the woolen clothes. Jacket, socks, gloves, cap, all these clothes you wear in winter season. So repeat the answer once more.
I wear woolen clothes in winter.
Yes, very good. Now tell me, why do you wear woolen clothes?
I wear woolen clothes to keep myself warm.
Yes, you wear woolen clothes to keep yourself warm. What will happen to you if you will not wear woolen clothes? You will fall sick.
Sick.
Yes, so say the answer once more.
I wear woolen clothes to keep myself warm.
Yes. Okay. So, your next question is related to rainy season. Tell me children, what happens in rainy season? Yes, it rains in rainy season. So, you all know the clothes of rainy season. Okay, so now you can answer my question. Let me ask you, what do you wear when it rains?
I wear a raincoat or carry an umbrella when it rains.
Yes, you wear a raincoat or you carry an umbrella when it rains. Here is a picture of a raincoat and an umbrella. Okay, and what do? You wear a raincoat or you carry an umbrella when it rains. Why do you wear a raincoat or why do you carry an umbrella? Why? So that you don't get wet. Okay, so repeat the answer.
I wear a raincoat or carry an umbrella when it rains.
Yes, very good. Now your next question is also related to rainy season. What does a raincoat or an umbrella do?
It protects me from getting wet.
Yes, very good. It protects you from getting wet. Here is a picture of a girl. She is carrying an umbrella and it is raining. But this umbrella is protecting this girl from getting wet. Yes, so say the answer once more.
It protects me from getting wet.
Very good. Okay children. Now you all go to school. Yes or no? And do you wear the same clothes in school which you wear at home? Yes or no? Most of you
No.
will say no. Yes, all will say no. Okay, so your question is, if you do not wear the home clothes to school, then what do children wear to school?
Children wear uniforms to school.
Yes, very good. What do children wear to school?
Children wear uniforms to school.
Yes, children wear uniforms to school. Yes, this is a dress code which you have to follow when you go to school. Yes? Okay, so repeat the answer.
Children wear uniforms to school.
Very good. Okay, now there are some other people also who wear uniforms. Yes, you all must be knowing some people who wear uniforms. So your question is, name some people who wear uniforms.
Policeman, nurse, soldier and student.
Policeman,
Nurse,
nurse,
soldier
soldier,
and student.
and student. Yes, very good. But you said this in one word. I want you to say this answer in the form of a sentence. So how you will say it?
Some people who wear uniforms are policeman, nurse, soldier, and student.
Yes, children. So here is a picture of a policeman, a nurse, soldiers, and students. Okay, and they all are wearing uniforms. Yes. So say the answer once more.
Some people who wear uniforms are policeman, nurse, soldier, and student.
Very good. Okay, children. Now, your next question is related to the clothes which you wear on your feet. Okay, so are you ready? Should I ask the question? Okay, let me ask you now. What do you wear with your shoes?
I wear socks with my shoes.
Yes, you wear socks with your shoes. Okay, say the answer once more.
I wear socks with my shoes.
Very good. Okay, now your next question is related to the color of your school uniform. Yes, you all are knowing the color of your school uniform?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
tell me, what is the color of your school uniform?
The color of my school uniform is maroon and lemon.
Very good. The color of your school uniform is maroon and lemon. Repeat it once more.
The color of my school uniform is maroon and lemon.
Very good. Now, your next question is related to cleanliness. You know, children, cleanliness is so important. To be healthy, you should maintain cleanliness. Now, the clothes which you wear, they should be clean so that you remain clean and healthy. Now, can you tell me, how can you keep your clothes clean?
I can keep my clothes clean by washing them regularly.
Very good. If you wash your clothes regularly, they will be clean and you will also be clean. So, repeat the answer once more.
I can keep my clothes clean by washing them regularly.
Very good. So, children, this was all for today. We finish with chapter 4 of English Conversation. Thank you.